Throughout history, humanity noticed a rhythm in the sky, in nature, and in time itself. Everything seemed to follow a cycle, an order. This rhythm became one of the foundations of our search for meaning. Over time, people discovered repeating patterns within this order, just like the number 7, a number that has held a special place for thousands of years, appearing with mysterious meanings in many cultures. But why? Why are some numbers considered more sacred or lucky than others? In this video, we will follow the trail of the number 7 and uncover the mystery behind it. So, welcome to Secrets of Truth. Even today, the magic of the number 7 shows up everywhere in our lives. In the sports world, legendary names like David Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo, or Kevin Durant are known for their obsession with the number 7 jersey. For them, it's more than just a number. It's a symbol of success and charisma. The same pattern appears in popular culture. Think of casino slot machines. When you hit 777, you win the jackpot. The convenience store chain 7-Eleven, the famous drink 7-Up, the iconic Boeing 747, and of course, our unforgettable agent James Bond 007. They all carry that same charm. It seems that the number 7 leaves a positive and mysterious imprint on our subconscious, and maybe, just maybe, its power is tied to secrets our ancestors once discovered while gazing at the skies. Thousands of years ago, long before people had the means to communicate across distances, they were all looking at the same thing, the night sky. Among the countless stars, 7 lights stood out: the sun, the moon, and 5 visible planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. These celestial bodies were different from the fixed stars because they moved. As our ancestors watched them, they began to associate these wandering lights with gods. In some cultures, the planets themselves were seen as divine beings, while in others, they were thought of as the homes of the gods. In Mesopotamia, we encounter an even more fascinating story. The Sumerian myths speak of the Apkallu, 7 sages who were said to have brought knowledge, scientific methods, and survival skills to humanity after the Great Flood, laying the foundation for civilization to rise again. In short, those 7 lights in the sky became one of the earliest building blocks of humanity's ideas about gods, cosmology, and mythology. The number 7 left deep marks in the mythologies of many ancient civilizations. In Sumer, the creation of the universe was described in 7 stages, from chaos to order, the separation of heaven and earth, the birth of the gods, and finally, the creation of humankind. The fact that humanity appears at the very last stage is particularly striking. Most Sumerian and Babylonian ziggurats were also built with 7 levels. Each tier was decorated with different colors and dedicated to a specific deity. These temples were not only places of worship, but also symbolic models of the cosmos. The same theme appears in other civilizations as well. The belief in 7 heavens and 7 layers of the earth is found in Mesopotamia and later echoed in Abrahamic religions. Egyptians and Greeks spoke of 7 sacred gods or 7 wise figures. In India, the number takes on an even richer role: the 7 chakras, 7 sacred rivers, 7 islands, and 7 sages. All these examples show that Even when cultures had no direct contact, they still sanctified the number 7, as if it were imprinted into humanity's collective subconscious. The symbolism of 7, inherited from ancient civilizations, strongly continues within the Abrahamic religions as well. In Judaism, the most recognizable symbol of 7 is the menorah. This 7-branched sacred lamp represents the belief that God created the universe in 6 days and rested on the 7th. The Sabbath, the 7th day of the week, is also considered holy. Even in smaller rituals, like a bride circling the groom 7 times at weddings, the number 7 is present. In Christianity, the concepts of the 7 days of creation, the 7 virtues, and the 7 deadly sins stand out. These symbols were used to explain both moral guidance and cosmic order. In Islam, the number 7 holds a similarly important role. The Quran refers to 7 heavens, while hadiths mention 7 layers of earth. During the Hajj, pilgrims circle the Kaaba 7 times and walk between Safa and Marwa 7 times. In folk belief, certain prayers are thought to offer protection if recited 7 times. In short, across religions, the number 7 has become a symbol of holiness, order, and divine consciousness. The number 7 does not only appear in mythology and religion, it also emerges in modern science. In the 17th century, Isaac Newton used a prism to discover that light is made up of 7 distinct colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Interestingly, these colors correspond to the 7 chakras in Indian tradition. In physics, electrons occupy 7 fundamental energy levels. In chemistry, the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with the neutral point exactly at 7. About 70% of Earth is covered in water, and scientists estimate that nearly 70% of the universe is made up of dark energy. In crystallography, crystals are classified into 7 basic systems. Psychology gives us more connections. The human short-term memory can hold an average of 7 items at once. Psychologist Paul Ekman also proposed that humans have 7 basic emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, fear, surprise, disgust, and contempt. Even in medicine, the number 7 appears. The immune system often takes around 7 days to recover from an infection, and wounds frequently begin to heal within the same time frame. All of these examples suggest that the number 7 may not just be a cultural coincidence, but a recurring pattern woven into the very fabric of the universe. As we've seen, the number 7 appears everywhere, from the earliest human beliefs to the discoveries of modern science. Ancient civilizations looked up at the sky, saw 7 wandering lights, and linked them to their gods. Religions built sacred rituals around the number 7. Science revealed 7 colors in light and 7 energy levels in electrons. But do these repetitions truly point to a hidden order in the universe? Or is the human mind simply wired to search for patterns and assign meaning to coincidences? Perhaps 7 is nothing more than a symbol etched into humanity's collective subconscious. Or perhaps it really does point to a deeper truth hidden within the fabric of existence. One thing is certain: the mystery of 7 has fueled human curiosity and the quest for meaning for thousands of years. Maybe future discoveries will confirm what our ancestors seemed to sense long ago. Until then, The Mystery of Seven invites us to keep asking questions and to keep exploring the universe with open eyes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more mysterious content like this. And if there are mysteries you're curious about, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see explored in future videos. See you in the next video and in the next mystery.